IT space, the FNO space is buzzing with a lot of positivity, and joining us is Vinay Rajani. Good afternoon, Vinay. Looking at the FNO market, especially the Nifty and the Nifty Bank, the technical setup for Nifty Bank looks better. What are your views for both Nifty and Nifty Bank?
Yeah, so Bank Nifty yesterday registered an all-time high while Nifty listed by some margin. But yes, both are looking positive. Today Nifty partially filled the yesterday's gap. Yesterday we saw a more than 1200 points gap up opening. And today Nifty went and filled that gap partially and found support there and bounced back. So this is typical continuation of an uptrend after the announcement, whatever rise was there, it was it witnessed some profit booking. But again, I see a strength coming back to the indices. Nifty and Bank Nifty both are looking good. Bank Nifty is relatively stronger than Nifty because of the IT constituents. Nifty is underperforming right now, but Bank Nifty as an individual looking better on the charts and hovering around its all-time high. So yes, private sector banks along with the PSU banks, Bank Nifty looking strong. It looks like that Nifty should make an all-time high very soon. Not in 1-2 trading session, but yes, in next couple of sessions, next couple of weeks, we can expect Nifty to register an all-time high about 26,373, and Bank Nifty is also looking to again cross a 61,000 mark. So overall, bias is bullish. Buy on dip should be the view. In intraday dip should be bought into, and gradually we can see that sector rotation is happening now. Capital goods stocks, power stocks are performing very well. So broad-based buying is there in the market right now, and overall bias on the indices as well as selected stocks is quite bullish.
Okay, so that's what we're coming in terms of markets, but it's that time of the show where we do a quick rapid fire winner. We'll take the stocks and your quick take on the counter with the target prices and stop loss. The first one is a Gokuldas Exports. It did rise almost 20% in today's session as well, Vinay. It's the biggest intraday gain since March 2022, and the company's stock is up nearly 50% in the past 5 trading sessions. Are you seeing further conviction?
At this price, risk reward is not favorable. 800 should be the stop loss in existing strong long position.
What about a Sheila Foam? Again, the biggest intraday gain since Jan 2022 on the turnaround quarter. So fundamentally, there is strength, but is that same seen on the charts as well?
Yeah, volumes are quite convincing. So it looks like it is headed for the extension of the pullback. So we can expect a level of 660 or level in the coming days. Today's low should be the stop loss, which is 561.
Okay, so 561 is the stop loss on this one. You have Indocount Industries. Yesterday, this counter did not really participate to that extent as compared to the other textile companies on the back of the trade deal. Today, you're seeing that participation coming in with 14 to 15% up move. What are charts saying?
Similar like GoKex, this stock has risen a lot in last 2-3 sessions, so better to avoid for new trades. But yes, existing trades can be protected with a stop loss of 300.
Okay, and Keytex Garments, again, a play on the India-US trade deal.
Same similar setup because of the news. They have come up now. Stock is near the resistance area, so that resistance is 227, and today's low should be the stop loss, which is 210.
And your view when it comes to Avanti Feeds, that stock is up 14%. Volumes are up nearly 14 times today.
Yeah, so yes, this stock is looking quite strong on the charts. Positionally charts are quite convincing, and one can continue to hold on for the positional trades as well as for the investments.
While we're speaking about reactions and results, we should pull up the chart for Emami. It is trading with gains of about 6.2%. You're seeing a spike in the recent past. There you go. It's a pretty sharp spike on the back of earnings. And 14% uptick in bottom line is what I think I saw on the flashes. It's up about 10%. Top line, I wonder what Samir thinks of this particular company. So you have a 14.5% increase in bottom line coming in at 319 crore rupees, and the stock is reacting quite substantially on the upside. Samir, what's the view?
And lastly, couple of FMCG names, Marico and Nestle. Dealers are indicate there are pair trades that have been suggested by multiple dealing rooms in trade today based on technical charts. They're asking their clients to buy Marico and sell Nestle. Thanks a lot, Sumit, for that. Vinay, a pair trade is something which the analysts, the traders are suggesting. Buy Marico and sell Nestle. You will agree with this? Or is there any other trade here?
So Nestle's positional chart is quite convincing. So still it is not looking weak. So I would not suggest, I would not think of going short in the Nestle. So yes, Marico can be a good bet to go long, but Nestle is not looking that weak. So I would not go short in that. Will continue to hold on to the long position. And overall, I see power stocks are moving very well in today's trade. So NTPC is one of the stocks which we already recommended to our clients, and 366 is the level, 395 is the target that we are looking for in the short term. So 395 should be the target on the downside. 345 should be the stop.
And staying with Hurdle.
Thanks a lot, Somit, for that. And textile stock up moves are there, but there might be some more upside potential as well that's coming in, and most of the stocks are doing well in the today's trade as well. But one stock which is not doing well in the trade is HAL. The company has been knocked out of the stealth jet race. They've been excluded from India's AMCA stealth fighter jet program. The company couldn't meet the criteria. The lowest bidder to get the development order was of almost 15,000 crore rupees in the next 3 months. Of course, this consortium has a bigger name such as Bharat Forge, L&T, BML Data Patterns and Tata Advanced Systems as well. So we are seeing HAL actually tanking in trade. It's down almost 6% and there is no scope of recovery coming in. It's still down 6%. Just wanted to get Vinay on this. Vinay, just a sharp, and an important view on this stock. Is there any buy the dip opportunity coming in, or the technical charts, is it looking like there's more further downside here?
Yeah, so stock has shown some zigzag kind of pattern. Previously it was looking good. Now again altogether because of some news it has come down and violated the short-term moving averages. So definitely the short-term trend has turned weak and looking weak on the charts. But yes, there is one long-term moving average which is nothing but the 100-week exponential moving average, which is placed at 4100 for the stock. So this is the level which one should keep an eye on it, because once we see 4100 breaching on the downside, then that will further intensify the selling pressure below 4100. So that is the level one should watch out for as a support for the stock. No doubt the short-term trend is weak, but positional trend will also be weak below 4100 in the stock. So that should be on radar.
All right. On that note, gentlemen, thank you so much for taking the time for speaking to us today on India Market Close. Pleasure speaking with you as always. Now, it's earnings season, thick and fast, right? But we